Yo, what is going on, dudes? Welcome back to the channel. We are going out for a lap of the Isle of Man TT course. We tried to do it the other day. As you saw, we went to Derby and the weather was a bit against us. We were just on the southern part of the lap, so hopefully today we'll get right round. The weather is fantastic. Race day starts tomorrow, so everything's getting really busy. But we're out again with Stuarty boy. We're just going to try and get a nice relaxed ride round the TT course, you know, just to say that we've done it. We might try and get down to Castletown either today, or we might do it this weekend because we've got nothing on Sunday, so potentially Castletown on Sunday, but we'll see how we get on. But the TT course is, well, it's about just shy of 38 miles, 37.7 I think is the exact number. During the race these guys are doing it in, you know, maybe 20 minutes or less, sometimes more, depends on the kind of size of the engine. It's definitely going to take us a lot longer to do that today, that's for sure, I can guarantee it. If we can get it done in an hour or so, you know, look at all the bikes, man. Today is a beautiful day for you guys to have a look at the TT course. I wish I put a camera behind me. You know, you can't really see it too well in the mirrors, I guess, with the GoPro, but in front of me there's a massive line of bikes. Behind me there's a massive line of bikes. A lot of the bikes in front of me just now, they're all the classic style bikes. I'm not really too sure what's behind me, but by the sounds of it, there's quite a few classics because they're loud. Oh, I wish I had smell-o-vision, because the smell coming from all the bikes in front of me, oh man, it's like smelling bacon first thing in the morning. You go, oh, it's so good. I don't know if you can hear that. Oh my god, the sound of some of those bikes up front. I was going to say this is what the riders have to look at when they're doing their laps, but I can guarantee you that's not what they're looking at. You know, flying down here at, you know, 100+ miles an hour going, oh, that's a nice view. I can guarantee you that's not the case, but we can look at it. It's beautiful. These aren't particularly difficult roads, you know, when you're just going round them at, you know, 40-50 miles per hour, there's nothing too challenging. So far it's been great. It's been so good. A nice chilled ride with us and all our German mates apparently. Oh, they're going a different way. I thought they were going to be going round the course. It doesn't seem they are. They must just be going for a little jaunt around the island. Goodbye, my German friend. So this lap that we're currently doing of the circuit, you know, you can probably tell by now that if you're going to do a lap around the TT course when it's either the, you know, the TT or the Manx, it's not going to be a fast lap. There is so much traffic on the roads, you know, that it's just, you know, you don't even get near the speed limits pretty much. And to be honest, I'm absolutely fine with that. I'm quite happy just to potter around, look at the views, enjoy being on the bike, you know, and leave the super fast runs to the guys who know what they're doing. Everybody will know this bit if you've watched the TT. This famous jump, you see all the bikers getting absolutely airborne, and whoa, it's a weird feeling even going slowly. You can't blame the guy thousands of bikers here. I know what I'm going to do. I need to sell my bike. I'll just put it out front and put it for sale on it. Hopefully one of the tens of thousands of bikers that pass will be interested. 40 minutes we've been going, and yeah, I don't even think we're halfway around the track yet. If you ever get the chance, jump on the ferry with your bike, get over to the Isle of Man for a couple of days, even if it's not during the racing, you know, even if it's just to come and visit the island and just go around the circuit. Oh man, it's so much fun. We'll sort out a trip for a few days with a bunch of fellow riders and gonna have some fun. Welcome to Ramsey. We're now pretty much at the top point of the circuit. We're away up north now, so it's taken us about kind of 40-45 minutes. So we're now approaching the mountain part of the track. If you've never seen the mountain part, you know, it's where you see all the helicopters, you know, following the bikes going up. It's such a cool shot. It can obviously get really misty, you know, fairly easy. It can turn up as quickly as it can disappear, you know. It's one of those things that if you're ever going to do a little trip around the Isle of Man circuit, you can go into the website, you know, the Isle of Man cameras, and you can check all the CCTV cameras around the island. And you can check like up by the mountain, see if there's any mist, to make sure that it's nice and clear for you. When it's misty, you cannot see a thing. I am not making it up. It's not a case of, oh, you know, it's reduced visibility. You know, it's a case of you cannot see a thing. Look at those views, man. Absolutely beautiful, isn't it? Oh my god, what a sight. Look at those views, man. I mean, the views, no matter where you go on this island, you know, if you're up fairly high and you're looking down, no matter what direction you're looking, it is just spectacular. And look what we're coming up to, dudes. The Craigney Bar. You get some absolutely spectacular shots of the riders coming absolutely bombing it down here. Coppers are out making sure nobody's being silly. We were in there the other night for something to eat and the food was glorious. And that is our full lap, dudes, and that is us back on the start finish straight, dudes. Well, hopefully you guys enjoyed my first lap of the TT. If you did, guys, give it a thumbs up, just like that. Perfect timing. And if you want to see all my videos, click on that subscribe button and ring the bell while you're there. That way you'll get notified every time I upload a video. But until next time, dudes, stay safe, ride safe, take it easy.